Say baby. Baby. Come on.
Baby.
Pardon?
Baby.
Say it again.
Baby.
Is that Maximus?
My
Huh? What's Maximus? Take the phone out of your mouth, please. Did you get a new toy today? What's Maximus?
baby.
Yeah, he's a baby.
Baby.
Yeah, that's right.
Pow.
He's a baby. Where is he? Where is he? No, just stay there. Don't close the door. Why are you closing it? Uh-oh. He's going to sleep. We're going to try and make Maximus go to sleep. Go to sleep, little boy.